Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize your character on the Subway Surfers application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the Me button down below, which is the second option. As you can see, here is your selected character. So first tap on the characters button down below and you can check out the available characters that you can purchase or choose. So after finding the relevant one, tap on this coin button to pay for it. And you can also select your board by tapping on the board section. Here you can see the price, and in the upgrade section you can upgrade a boost which will permanently increase its duration. So for example, the jetpack, super sneaker update, coin magnet update, or multiplier upgrade. So if you want to purchase any of these, tap on the price and then it will be available to you. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.